Hi guys, it's me, Girls with Heart Ambassador Leila, also known as Leila the Pet Vet. So today, it's finally time to start my packing video for the Live Justice Summit!
Leila the Pet Vet!
First, we're going to start with the clothes. We're going to go from Friday to Monday. So over here, this is what I'm going to wear on the plane ride tomorrow. I'm going to wear this jogging shirt. It's really cool and it's cozy too. So under that, I'm going to wear this cool little panda shirt that's dabbing. It's really cute. And for my pants, I'm going to wear these nice jogging pants. They're also comfy and they go great with the top. And so once I get to the welcoming party, I'm going to change into this shirt. It says sisterhood, noun. It's a noun. So I'm going to read it to you and then I'm going to show it. A fierce squad of unstoppable girls. So, with this shirt, for the welcome party, I'm going to wear these nice, cool jeans from Justice. Now we're going to go to Saturday. On Saturday, I think we're going to go to Justice headquarters for the first time, and probably you guys know that I love sequins, so I'm gonna wear this sequin shirt there because I just love it. And for the pants, I think if you guys guessed that there was going to be a sequins stripe on the pants, you guessed right. I wanted to wear these with the shirt because they have like sequins stripes on them, which totally I love, though they don't have a backside like the shirt. When we get back to the hotel, it will be the book launch party for Ultra Squad number 2. So I'm gonna change into this really fancy Paris dress. I can wear this to church too, but I don't want to. I just do it on occasions. So after that, we have a slumber party. So I'm going to wear this cute watermelon shirt. And this watermelon shirt also comes with a watermelon shorts, which is so cute. It kind of looks like a skirt. On Sunday, when we go back, I'm going to wear this top. It has a little sequins pocket. And it's actually a real pocket. So on the back of the black side, you got gold, which I love. And with this top, I'm going to wear these jeans. I like it because it has like lots of little distress and it's so cool. And once we get back to the hotel, we're gonna get ready for the farewell party. So I'm gonna wear this unicorn dress. Unicorns are my spirit animal. That's what my mom says. And they make me feel magical. That's why I'm wearing this unicorn shirt. It lets me be anything. I can be a scientist, a president, a star, or an astronaut. But I want to be everything that I can possibly be. So on Monday, when everybody is getting ready to go home to the airport, I'm going to make a special stop at Columbus Zoo. So you know, guys, whenever I like to film animal stuff, I would wear my scrubs. And I'm going to film special things for you, and maybe I'll get to go behind the scenes. Isn't that cool? So after I'm done with the Columbus Zoo, I am going to get ready to go change into this outfit. It's for the plane ride back home. So this top shows my belly. It will show my belly if I don't wear something under it. So I'm going to wear this undershirt. And I'm gonna wear these jogging pants because they're so comfy. We think it's gonna be cold all weekend in Columbus. And I brought this really light jean jacket just in case it gets kind of chilly, but in case it's like a snowstorm, I brought my heavyweight coat that I wear in Texas when it gets really cold. And now we're gonna move on to the smaller items. So even though it's gonna be cold in Columbus, the hotel has a heated swimming pool. So I brought 2 types of swimsuits because my mom might bring us 2 days. So this is what I'm gonna wear over it. I got a beach towel, a beach bag in case it rains. I brought this nice cute umbrella. I have a little take wherever, toothpaste, and a little bottle of mouthwash. I got hand sanitizer. And so at Walmart, luckily it's me and my mom going only, and we both need puffs since we can't take our own because they might be too big. So my mom's gonna have the purple one, I'm gonna have the yellow. And these are books that I'm going to take on the plane going back home. And I got a gift card so I can shop at the Justice store in Columbus. How cool is that? And I got a bonnet to keep my hairstyle nice and fresh. A water bottle, because I love unicorns. I luckily found a unicorn one. And a neck pillow to keep me comfy on the plane ride. It has a button so like you can snap it open and snap it off. It's really cool. And we're going to show you what's in this backpack. When I'm going through the airport, I'm going to carry this nice sequin flamingo bag. And I have coconut smelling hand sanitizer. So I'm going to show you what's in my bag. And in my bag, I have the 2 Justice Ultra Squad books that I'm going to read on the way to Columbus. And in here, I have my badge. I decorated it with stickers. My iPod. Now, and this is a cord to charge my tablet in case I want to play some games because my iPod doesn't have any yet. And I'm bringing this cute choker that can tell what I'm feeling. And me and my mom are bringing this nail polish because we think we should be matchies. So we chose purple with glitters because I like pink glitter and Mommy got purple, so this is perfect for us. I have 2 sets of headphones in case my mom forgets hers, so this is going to be mine that I use. This is going to be the backup. And I have this earpiece that we can stick to my mom's phone so we can both listen to something at the same time. How cool is that? That's everything in the bag, and so this is what it looks like. It might look small, but it can hold a lot of things at once. And that was everything. So if you like this video, me and the girls with Heart Ambassadors are going to make more for our trip. And I hope you watch all of our videos. And if you like this video, subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys know when I'm going to have a new video coming out. Bye!
Leila the Pet Vet.